In this video, I want to show you how to get Ladbrokes Bet 10, get 50. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you need to do is first register an account, a new account. This type of promotion is usually for new users only. So create a Ladbrokes account if you don't have one. Then from there, you need to deposit and place a qualifying bet. So deposit at least 10 and place a qualifying bet on sports or events that meet Ladbrokes specific criteria, such as minimum odds. 3. Receive free bet credit. So once your initial bet is placed and settled, Ladbrokes should credit you with 50 in free bets. These often come in increments, for example, 5 $10 bets, which you can use on subsequent events. Also, make sure to check the terms and conditions because these offers often come with terms including time limits for using the free bets, restrictions on eligible markets, or possible wagering requirements before any winnings can be withdrawn. So yeah, strongly suggest check out the terms and conditions, and also be sure to review the specific requirements on Ladbrokes website or app, as details can vary based on the promotion and any recent updates in terms as well.